Hello, today we're gonna make cupcakes with pancake mix. So first we need pancake powder. And then we need 3 eggs. And then 1 bowl of oil. Mix it a little bit. 1 spoon of vanilla extract. And then you mix it. Well. And then 1/3 of sugar and 1/3 of milk. Thoroughly. It looks like this. After mixing thoroughly, it looks like this, soft and fluffy. What you do now is, after mixing, add a pinch of baking powder and then take a scooper like that. And then scoop it inside the cup and put it in the oven. For 150 degrees and put a timer for 30 minutes. Before we open and off the oven, first we have to check if it is baked. So we pop one of the muffins, and it's okay. See, it comes up dry, so that means it is fully baked. So that's how you make cupcakes with pancake mix. This is how it looks right now. And for more yummy taste, these are the yummy cupcakes from pancake mix. But if you want more taste, you can add caramel sauce. Let's cut and eat. Now we're gonna show you how it looks after cutting. It's yummy and it's delicious. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like. If you don't have caramel icing, you can make your own by adding sugar to a fry pan and 10 grams of butter. And now you have to mix it well, slowly, so it doesn't get burned. As you can see, now it looks like caramel syrup. And then we're gonna carefully put it on the cupcake. Voila!